Question 13. Given this equation, y equals to 2x plus da 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 da, and y is less than 0. Okay, so they said y is this and y less than 0. Therefore, this must be less than 0 because this is y1. So we can say 2x squared plus bx plus 12 less than 0. So this is a quadratic inequality. And they said if x is between 2 and a, find the values of a and b. Okay. So quadratic inequality, you have to draw this smiley face graph. Okay. So our roots will be 2 and a. Okay, how I know between 2 and a? Because this is less than 0. So if less than 0 means it's down here, so we have to shade here. So here only our roots will be in between 2 and a. Okay. So now how to solve this? First, let's try to find b. So since we know our roots are 2 and a, we can put these roots into the x. So let's try to put 2 first. 2 times 2 square plus b times 2 plus 12 must be equal to 0. Okay, whenever you put your roots inside, you will get 0. So 2 times 2 square is 8 plus 2b plus 12 is 0. Therefore 20 plus 2b is 0. So let's look at making b the subject. So 2b is negative 20. Therefore b is negative 10. So we have b negative 10. Done. Now let's try to find a. Okay. Since we have b now, so we can replace this b with negative 10. So this is our equation. And a is one of the roots, right? So do the same thing. A we can put into the x. So 2 times a square minus 10a plus 12 equals to 0. Then to solve this, we have to factorize the a. So what we do, first thing is we can divide the whole equation by 2. Get a square minus 5a plus 6 is 0. Then we factorize. So you can just use your calculator. A is 1, b is negative 5, c is 6. So a minus 2, the other one will be a minus 3. So the a will be 2 or a will be 3. These are the two possible values of a. But 2 cannot be a because 2 is already here. So a must be bigger than 2. So this one we have to reject. Therefore, a is 3. This is our final answer.